はい、皆さん、おはようございます。7am English へようこそ。これから発信していく動画は英文法についてです。皆さんの英語力が少しでも向上するように全力でお手伝いしたいという思いで発信しています。これからは英語を使ってコンテンツを発信していきますが、少しずつ頑張っていきましょう。この動画は毎日朝7時に公開されます。一緒にコーヒーでも飲みながらリラックスして参加してください。Today's topic is the present progressive tense. The present progressive is the simplest ing tense. It's normally used to talk about actions happening or not happening right now at the moment of speech. For example, today is Friday, so I'm not wearing a tie. The construction of present progressive tense is also not very difficult. All we need to do is use the verb be and add ing to the root of the main verb, like this. A very interesting thing about English is that the word now doesn't mean just the moment of speaking. It can also mean a longer period of time, which we are in the middle of. It can mean this week, this month, this year, this century. Anything is possible, depending on the context of the sentence. At this point, it's important to say that each and every ing tense, or each and every progressive tense, has some feeling of duration. It's used for longer actions taking place over a period of time. This is why all of the ing tenses are called progressive. They have a feeling of progress. So if I say David is studying to become a doctor, it doesn't mean David is right now at his desk studying. Maybe he is, but we don't know that. It means that David is in the process of completing this very long action of studying to become a doctor. But be careful. While grammatically we can use always, usually, often, and similar words with the present progressive, we should not, because the meaning changes. If you say, my mother cooks lunch, that means your mother usually cooks lunch. If you say, my mother is cooking lunch, then it means she's doing it right now. But if you say, my mother is always cooking lunch, it has a very negative meaning. It means that you are angry about her cooking lunch. You don't like that. So the combination of always and ing is used to show negative emotions. Please remember that. Another very common use for present progressive is to talk about future events. But to use the present progressive for the future, we need to meet two conditions. One, the action needs to be scheduled. And two, the action needs to be in a relatively near future. So, for example, imagine two people talking. Mr. A, what are you doing tomorrow afternoon? Oh, Mr. B, thank you for asking. I am visiting a friend of mine. I see. Well, do you have any plans for Saturday? No, I'm not doing anything on Saturday. Let's meet. The passive form of present progressive, however, is not very common in everyday spoken English. Using it in a sentence or using it to tell a story creates a feeling and creates an image of many different things happening at the same time. It creates a feeling of emergency. So, for example, if I make a sentence like, right now, all the machines are being repaired and all of our clients are being called, it creates a feeling of emergency. Maybe something bad happened. So try not to use the present progressive in its passive form unless you really want to create this kind of feeling. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and if you have any questions about the present progressive, please leave them down in the comments and I will answer them as soon as possible. I hope you have a very nice weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Goodbye.